wrapped in a warm tortilla, and it's only $1. It's time to investigate the new $1 triple meal burrito at Taco Bell.
We've seen almost everything, so we know how to cover almost anything, even close flaws.
Shortcuts. Yeah.